Hi everyone, let's make Bang Bang chicken skewers. These have 314 calories per serving with 14 grams of carbs, 35 grams of protein and 14 grams of healthy fat. So without any delay, let's get the recipe started. You start by taking cubed chicken breast in a bowl, and for the seasoning I'll add garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper and some paprika and also some extra virgin olive oil. I'll simply combine everything and let the chicken marinate overnight or for at least 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. And once these are marinated well, I'll add them all into a wooden skewer, align them into one single line. Now for the Bang Bang sauce, I'll add low-fat mayonnaise, Thai sweet chili sauce, minced garlic, and some sriracha. I'll simply combine everything and you can see my homemade Bang Bang sauce is ready. Now I'll heat up my grill pan, add all the chicken skewers to this and cook this over medium-low heat for 5 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown on both sides. You can even cook this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. Also, you can cook them in the air fryer or in an outdoor grill oven as well. And once the chicken breasts are cooked perfectly, you can simply drizzle the Bang Bang sauce over this and these are ready to serve. I simply love this recipe because you can even serve these Bang Bang chicken skewers as a quick appetizer, also as a quick summertime dinner when served alongside with some healthy and fresh salad. You can replace the chicken here with shrimps or salmon if you have them at home. This makes for such a easy and quick dinner which even the kids are gonna love for sure. Do give this recipe a try and let me know if you have any questions.
So this was the recipe for easy Bang Bang chicken skewers. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. The sauce is very delicious. It's healthy, high protein recipe. Do give it a try and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and have a great day.